I recently flew from Nairobi to JFK on Qatar Airways and had a 14-hour layover in Doha. To kill time and see a new country, I booked the airline's Discover the Desert and Inland Sea private tour. The 4-hour tour took me about an hour south of the airport, where we stopped to deflate the tires before going off-roading in the desert sand dunes. My driver was a former rally car driver who's been driving in the desert for more than 20 years. We traveled about 40 kilometers through the desert, racing up and down over the steep dunes, and finally ending up at the stunning Inland Sea beach, located in the Arabian Sea, with views of Saudi Arabia. On the return trip, we stopped for cold drinks and a washroom break at a luxury desert camp. I was back at the airport with plenty of time to get through security for my flight. In fact, I even had time to spend in the lounge before boarding. The cost of this tour was around $235 for up to 5 people, but as a solo traveler, it was just me. If you have a long layover in Qatar, I highly recommend looking at Qatar Airways transit exclusive tours to get you out of the airport for a few hours.